Hi, my name is Eugene Davis and I'm here on this set for the ORS Olive Oil Hues shoot. And today we have 4 amazing models and a great team of hairstylists and colorists.
My name is Tifany Constantine. I am the master colorist for ORS. I really love this hair color. It has vitamin E in it. I love the way that it makes the hair feel after. It is very true to color. After we applied the color, the hair feels really soft, not like traditional color where the hair is left really hard.
Hi, my name is Erica Terry. I'm a 27-year-old senior media planner and I love my hair. So a lot of my colors have been oopsies. Like I've gone to professional people and they attempt to do styles and it just necessarily didn't turn out like it is now, but I'm in love with this Raging Red. I feel really confident with this product. It has a lot of nourishing agents in it and yeah, I think anyone should use it.
To find out more information and to take your own journey with olive oil hues, join us at orshaircare.com.